Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, keyless ignition, hands-free Bluetooth integration, panorama sunroof. Make a great choice today with the 2018 Tiguan. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, child safety locks, power steering, rear head airbag. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.